Hello guys, my name is Joshua Paul V. Gonzalez and this is our presentation about Maritime Law SOLAS, Chapter 2 and 1, Part B4, Regulation 22, 24, and 25. Prevention and Control of Water Increase Regulation 22. Regulation 22, Prevention and Control of Water Increase, etc. All of watertight doors should be closed during navigation, except that they may be opened during navigation. As special in paragraph 3, watertight doors of a width of more than 1.2 meters in machinery space as permitted by Regulation 13.10 may only be opened in the circumstances detailed in the regulation. Any door which open in accordance with the paragraph shall be ready to be immediately closed. Watertight doors located below the bulkhead deck of passenger ships and freeboard deck of cargo ships, having a maximum cleared opening width of more than 1.2 meters shall be kept closed during navigation, except for limited periods when absolutely necessary as determined by the administration. Watertight door may be opened during navigation only.
My name is Julius Tagum. I'm reporting in Flooding Detection System for Passenger Ship, Regulation 22-1. Regulation 22-1, Flooding Detection System for Passenger Ship carrying 36 or more persons. Regulation 22-1 mandates that passenger ship certified to carry 36 or more persons must be equipped with a flooding detection system. In watertight space below the bulkhead deck, the system is designed to monitor and detect water ingress, providing real-time alerts to crew. The regulation aims to ensure early detection of flooding to enhance ship safety and stability following to guidelines established by the International Maritime Organization.
Hello, my name is Bart Pagudsan. Now I'm reporting additional requirements for cargo ships Regulations 24. Regulation 24, additional requirements for prevention and control of water increase, etc. in cargo ships. Opening in the shells plating below the deck, limiting the vertical extent of damage shall be kept permanently closed during navigation. Notwithstanding the requirements of paragraph 3, the administration may authorize that particular doors may be opened of direction of meter, if necessary of operation of the ship and provided that safety of the ship is not improved.
Hello, I'm Godofredo Bidigal Jr. and I'll be discussing water level detectors for single-hold cargo ships, Regulation 25. Regulation 25, water level detectors on single-hold cargo ships other than bulk carriers. Single-hold cargo ships other than bulk carriers constructed before 1st of January 2007 shall comply with the requirements of this regulation not later than 31st of December 2000. Ships having a length of less than 80 meters or 100 meters if constructed before 1st of July 1998 and a single cargo hold below the freeboard deck or cargo hold below the freeboard deck which are not separated by at least one bulkhead made watertight up to that deck shall be fitted in such space or spaces with lateral level detectors.